Wednesday morning and we are back over on the sail job. Chris and Jack had nipped off over to the shop to get a quick brew whilst we're setting out to start a new hand-cut traditional roof. So we've got all the ridge beams set out, wall plates on, and we are now going to start looking at cutting up our roof rafters. So as you can see behind me, we've got the ridge beam all set in and propped. I've got my plumb cut all cut ready, which is a 25-degree plumb, and then I've got my bird's mouth ready to be cut out, which is here. So I'm just going to cut this up, try it in each 4 corners, make sure it all works right and the ridge is square. And we're going to completely cut the whole roof up and we're going to start crashing this roof in. I've allowed two days to get this fully built, so I want it done by tomorrow. Wait for them to come back now from the shop, I'll have a quick brew with them, and then we're going to crack on and we're going to get this roof absolutely mauled and get everything in.
Moments later.
So as you can see now, we start our left and right side spars out. They're both exactly the same cut. It is 26 or 25 degrees. We've got our back set out, so the ridge is all pinned in. What we've got going on here now is I'm just starting to mark out. Let me just jump on the scaffolding. Whee! So we've got a Velux which is going central to this window, so I've marked out my Velux window, which is an 780 by 980 window, so I've done an 800 opening. And we've also got a little window here with a double Velux, there's a Velux, not a double, a Velux stake that's going there as well. Marked out all where all my timbers are going this side. Just need to mark about on the ridge, and then they're going to the whatever we mark out here is going to go continue over, so all the spars are in line. We're just going to start cutting everything up now, and then we'll get the time lapse on and start getting everything fitted. So that's it now, all the right hand side as we're looking at the build, they're all cut up. Just cutting up a couple of left hand side, we're going to cut up a couple of the left hand side. I'm just going to put them in, so when we fill in the right hand side it doesn't push the ridge out, so it's secure. But yeah, we literally marked everything up now and all these are going in. I'm just going to put 2 in on the left hand side just so it's secure, and then all this side is just going to get launched in now. So we're flying, absolutely flying. Got Jack starting his apprenticeship with us, who's just started. It's his first week, he's just left school. And Chris is just Chris. We're just literally setting up the time lapse now so we can get all this roof on video. As you can see, it's going to be quite a good roof. We've got a glass apex going on in the side, which I explained on an earlier video when we were doing the brickwork. So I've got the crank beam measured tomorrow now. I've got the picture of the roof. Just set up a time lapse so we can get us fitting all these. There's a Velux going central to this bifold, a Velux central to the kitchen window. That's going to look a really good roof, and it's going to be a nice quick one in and out. Bosh! So that is us done for today. It's just started raining. We've got a good chunk of this roof set out now, and quite a lot of the spars in. We've got the Veluxes to set out in the morning basically and just fill it all in. We've got the barge boards to put in, ladders to put on, and we just got a small section on the where it comes down as the wraparound to build, which I'm going to spin the camera around now and I'll show you what I mean. So as you can see here, we've got a good chunk of the roof built now. We've just got to fill this section in the morning, which won't take too long. There's going to be 3 Veluxes to build and fill in, barge boards, ladder. And yeah, this roof will be complete tomorrow. I booked in for the steel fabricator to come around and measure for the crank steel that's going in there on the far end. And there's also a crank steel going in here to take, so a steel can tie into it to take the ceiling. So we'll go through that a bit later on, but we don't need to know anything about that by now. But yeah, we'll get this all built tomorrow and complete. I'll see you tomorrow. that's, we've got the back completely filled in. We are waiting for the architect to get back to me with velux sizes so I can finish off the veluxes, but I have to chase him up in a minute. I've been waiting since 9 o'clock this morning. We've got a bit on the side to do, and then basically we've got the ladders on the back to do and the ladders on the side, and then we're going to put the barge boards on. So we're literally not too far out now. I'm just wanting to get these velux sizes. I can just crack on with the rest of it, but yeah, I can't set the velux out till I hear back from the architect. We're on a bit of a job update here now, so we've just got off the phone to the architect, and basically we've agreed on the on 1200 by 780 by 1180 veluxes, so which are a nice decent size. We'll let plenty of natural light straight through these veluxes. So we're going to set these out, and then cut up all my barge boards, get a ladder on, and bish bash bosh. Yeah, go that ratchet, so as you can see now, Chris and Jack are just finishing off the collars we've put in. We've got the veluxes set out, all the ladder spars in. We're literally just going to finish off the far back side and get all the barges on in the fascia board, and then we're going to finish up, just come around the side then, and we'll have a couple of hours to finish this side return. So we should be done, pretty much done. We will be done for the end of the day. Do you know what I hate? When plumbers don't seal any, well, it's done us a favour, but I hate it when they don't seal anything up, you know, when they call out like that. What we've got here is to cook, because the customer's got no kitchen at the moment. We're using upstairs sink, and what we're going to do here is I'm just going to put the plate over that, and then I'm going to go inside with the back, and then I'm just going to re-core through the hole and just come through the timber so it's nice and neat. I don't like butchering the timber so to where it looks pretty rough. So. That's my plan anyway, is to core straight through. So I'm going to take that out, put a piece straight on, and then I'm going to core from the inside to outside, straight back through the hole. Reconnect everything back up through. Right. Go. So that's it, this roof is now complete. The roofers have turned up. As you can see, they've started felt and battening, and we've completely got everything bolted up, all the hangers on, and that's us. We're going to our next project. I'm just going to spin the camera around. So as you can see, all done. Everything bolted, hangers on. The roof is getting all nice and felt and battened so it's watertight. So it'll all be nice and complete. It's going to be done in Rosemary's. And the steel fabricator's on his way around now so we can work out this crank steel. And yeah, this job is another job that's moving forward fast, and that's it for this job. That's it for this video this week. If you liked what you're seeing, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next week.